Hello teachers. Now we will see in this one what we have to do during exam time in Google Classroom. Right. So you need to log in to Google Classroom from your Android, from your mobile or from your laptop or desktop. Right. So those who are using laptop and desktop, this video is for that. I am going to give a separate video for Android also after this. So you need to go and you have to log in to the Google Classroom. So I am logging in Google Classroom, you see, and according to the date and class teacher will join. Suppose I am joining in class 11. Okay, so I am going to click here. So I entered in my classroom, and through the link I am going in my class. Right, so I am going to click the link to join the class. As usual, we are doing, you are having children in this one, you can see. So also your class is also going on here. You are communicating with your student, and in the meantime what you have to do, you have to go to this classwork. Okay, when you click the classwork here, you will find out the scheduled paper here, like that. See, I had given a demo paper here, right? So you see here one demo paper, like this way. Here you are going to get one scheduled paper for that day. Suppose today in this class physics examination is there, so here you are going to get physics paper. Okay, so you need not to do anything. You simply have to click here to see here, see at the top title you click like this. Okay, already you are in the class, your class is going on, you have joined your class, you are interacting with children. Now you are going to ask children according to time that your test paper is or your question paper is now on, your half yearly exam is going on. You go to classwork, click the test and start working. So user means student, they will go, they will click this form and start filling the form and submitting it to you. Right. So what you need to do, when you are going to click the title here, you are going to find out, you see this one, this two, you are going to get like this. So handed in means what, that how many students have given written the question this answer form to you, and still people are writing. Okay, so when your exam will be over, this side all the number will be there and this assigned will be 0 here. You're all let's suppose 50 students, so 50 student will come here like this. Right. So you can find out here during the test time that how many students are appearing and how many are not giving, and you are already live in the class, so you can communicate with the student to write hurry up fast, have a proper login is there. You ask all the student to have a proper login with their email ID given by their school, right? So like that way you can find it out. At last, when time is going to be over, when all have submitted, you can log out. You ask all the student to log out from this class first, then you log out from here. Okay, then you go to classroom, and in classroom again you just find out, you make sure that all have submitted. If not, then you can inquire through WhatsApp and all. Okay, then you come back and you also log it off from your this class. This much you have to do during the exam time. And while students are writing their seats answer, you continuously monitor them. If anybody having any problem, any query, they will, like in class they are communicating, they will communicate to you, right? Okay, and you have to ask simply student that they will log in from their email ID given by their school. Okay. Okay, thank you very much.